Killshot, ho.
What's up, killers? We're gonna take the 8-6 out tonight because there's a car meet at K-Ways for SEMA week. Illis is gonna be there, RWB, just like last year. Hopefully it's a good turnout. It's just gonna be me tonight and my girlfriend. So hopefully we can get some cool ass clips. Let's do it. And we made it. More cars are coming in. More cops are being dickheads. They even got the motherfucking biker cop in this bitch. Cops has now blocked that exit and is talking to people. Bros, all these cops for what? It's not even, it's like barely just hit 8 o'clock.
It's currently 7:57.
7:57, bro. And they already got like 3 cops here.
The meet starts at 8.
That's what I'm saying. They still won't leave us alone. Well, we're probably gonna head out, but there's another one tomorrow. Hopefully that one doesn't turn out like this, because this is stupid. Oh look, it's a supervisor too. Yeah, we're fucked. Alright, well, see you tomorrow. And we're back.
Did you find out?
Show the lot. Fuck no, dude.
Look at all those people. Holy shit.
There's so much people.
Out here.
What's up, bro?
You remember me, right?
Hell yeah. Bro, what the fuck's the move?
There's no parking. You're gonna be circling like more than 5 times and just sitting in the car.
Shit.
Everyone's parking either at the gas station or like in the apartments over there.
Damn.
Yeah.
Alright,
I got here
bro.
4 hours ago.
4 hours?
Yeah, and it was already getting packed.
Really? Yeah, well, we're cooked.
Excuse me, you can't just pass us.
4 hours is crazy.
We'll be back when we figure this shit out.
On to date. Always got an excuse for that. So Mr. Kang from the Tokyo Drift or the Fast and the Furious series is he's in Vegas for SEMA, and he's hosting a meet for his new movie at Cafe 86, which is a very familiar place for us. But this is the worst I've ever seen this place get. It is not even 7 o'clock yet. It starts at 7.
After all these years.
It is 6:46. After all these years, they've never filled this whole parking lot, that whole parking lot. And as you can see, there's more people trying to pull up. And I hear cops already.
I know.
Yep. Oh, coming from over there. Oh, that's ambulance.
That's an ambulance.
That's ambulance. We're good. We're good.
We're good, gang.
We're good for now. Look, bro, they filled all of this. More people showing up.
This is a meet at Maverick, guys.
Dude, there's more people over there. What happened?
I said, imagine we see the hero car. If you know, you know.
You mean this hero car?
No, the other one, the red one.
Oh, the red one? This hero car?
No, the other one, the red one. The movie he's making.
Oh, this red. And we're here. We made it. There's no way I'm getting an autograph. We could have did that. We could have just said we're doing a...
Yeah, and Monte Cards. And Monte Cards.
Or we just wanted a drink, goddammit.
Most Monte Cards. With banners on the front that says Killshot.
No, it's just coincidence. We didn't know this shit was gonna go on here. The fact that the meet last night happened so shit for a small meet.
Like, how'd that go?
It was a long story. I should have just left my car here last night.
Hello. Welcome to Killshot.
Alright guys, this is Kyle. I met him at work and I finally caught him again at the car meet. So
Crazy car.
I'm gonna put a sick ass picture of his car right here. But if you need photography pictures, this guy's a man.
Let me know.
It's free. For now.
Yeah, for now.
For now, it's free. So get it while you can.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Thank you so
Of course, bro.
And then-
How's it going?
How's everything been?
Say what's up to the chat.
What's
Oh my god.
up?
Hi, I'm not S2K. I have this S2000 right here. She's freshly wrapped.
Cleanest EK Civic.
Oh
bro.
no, you're too kind. You're too kind. There's a way more cleaner Civics out there than me. Yeah, no, we'll see you around. If we see you around, just holler, bro.
Yeah,
Got any questions or
100%.
anything like that?
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Say goodbye.
Okay,
Bye.
you too. Bye bye.
Which one did you get?
Hey, he's right there.
For real?
No.
Ah, you.
Allah, what is that?
No.
Go.
No, it's just because he got an escort. That's it.
Right.
Don't know.
He needs to have security.
No, I gotta go like. Oh, they passed. Yes.
Oh, okay.
No.
Good.
Oh, never mind.
I'll go from that side.
Not good, guys. Not good. It's just like all night, all over again.
What happened?
Did something happen?
I think they're just passing.
Yeah, I think they're just checking.
I just heard a girl behind me say that she overheard them saying that everybody needs to get out of here.
Just
So
one person.
abort the mission.
Abort mission.
There's
Oh, what the fuck? Kaysen's old car, bro.
Casey.
Try to buy him back. Okay, assuming Han is like he's obviously a
a celebrity.
celebrity, He has to have had thought this through to have at least Metro notified.
Yeah. Or at least notify the, or at least the owners take initiative to notify the
cops.
Yeah, the department.
I mean, oh dude, look at everybody. Look at the Great Migration. Oh fuck!
What's the move? This is all you right now.
I really don't know. A part of me wants to do it for the content.
Run it back.
You ain't gotta tell me twice. See you. Killshot, we out.
It's too burnt. It's too burnt.
Way
It's
too
burnt.
fucking burnt.
It's getting shut down now. Everybody's gonna go crazy.
Imagine Han's like, oh, I got shot down. Cool. Hotel time.
Hey, gambling time.
I was tired anyways. Oh no.
Sees it.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Alright, chat.
We out.
Yo. Okay, bro.
Hey, bro.
Love you, bro. Bye, Lottie.
Bye.
Bye, Killshot. Oh, it's a short vlog, but
We are
He
out
got
of here.
blocked in.
Oh my gosh, Isaiah.
So he didn't even make it to his own meet.
But we got out. Fuck, bruh.
Didn't get towed, didn't get ticketed. That's
I
what
told you,
matters.
I called it. This shit was gonna fucking happen, bro. I knew it was not a good idea.
Not me. Well, I was so bad. If we left any sooner, we would have been stuck. For sure. We got stuck more bad. Because everybody else coming from Cafe 86 out.
Oh, like if we left later, you mean?
Yeah.
Dude, it was clutch too that we were just, or especially like, yeah, we were in the exit already.
Easy title.
Gonna be a nice TikTok though.
Cafe 86.
Cafe 86 shut down.
Twice! Fucking twice!
Good thing I never...
You might as well combine the two videos.
Nah, that one's a long video. No, wait, what? Yesterday and today?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. Yesterday was short as shit. Which I didn't care about because I was like, you know what? I don't even care if today gets burnt because we still have tomorrow and then. Red 86, come over here. Oh yes. Make the U-turn. Come, cuz, come. Yes, sir.
Oh.
He's coming in.
Rylan, it's your dad.
He's
All
not
right
coming.
then, my brother.
Okay, bye, Lottie. Bye,
Bye-bye.
Killshot.
Sorry, guys. I tried, but
We tried.
it just got way too burnt out. So
It is
see
what
you
it
guys
is.
again.
It's
sometime.
SEMA week.
It's SEMA week,
There's
so-
more meet stuff not in this week. So
Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here.
He's not coming.
alright, bro. Love you.
Love you, love you.
See you later.
Say bye, Killshot.
Bye, Killshot.
But wait!
We're not done yet.
We're not done
We're
yet.
not done yet.
We're back, chat. Yeah.
You want me to? Well, I'll follow.
Okay. So someone posted that the Sun King meetup spot is now at Bruti.
Tired shit.
So
It's not over yet.
let's go. Apparently, according to the homie Cyril, he's at Cafe 86 right now. I guess he's like trying to get out. But they were like, cops are like already swarmed that place and like they're even chasing people outside. So I hope I can still get an autograph or at least get him on camera. But I don't know about Bruti, bro. Like, it's a bigger lot. Don't get me wrong, and there's only like the Albertsons there that might trip. But it's just, I don't know, this is stupid, man. Like, this whole car scene is crazy. You know, there's not a lot of spots in Vegas to host meets at to where cops won't be there. So, but we're on the way right now. It's just down the road. So we'll check back in with you guys when we're there. Hell no.
There. People are already here.
And we're at the new spot.
Somehow, somebody decided to
It's not
do
over
it
yet.
after meet. At
And
Bruti.
then, so, wait, so is he coming or no?
Yeah, do we know for sure if
Or is this just a after me?
I think it's just after.
Aw,
Because still
man.
get choke people in the front.
Yeah, they look like they're waiting.
He's inside Bruti. Just when you
What if
order
it was? They would have, like, his team would have, like, secured the
the area,
spots.
Oh, look at that chopper.
Yeah, where's he gonna park?
Flashing lights.
Ooh, the moon.
And we're shut down again.
You see that? Stopped already. We just got here. He said, let's go back. Unlawful gathering.
Oh, they got shut down again.
Are you serious?
10 minutes.
Oh, another one.
Hello? Bro, dude, it got shut down twice. It is like GTA. So now that that our bladders are empty. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but yeah, the cops did not leave yet.
They're in the
They're
process
loud
of
as-
shutting it down right now.
So
We're gonna buy something, act like
Yeah,
we got a bag in our hands.
see, this is next level thinking, bro. They literally can't tell us to leave.
Yeah.
We're customers.
So now we're gonna go buy a bev or some shit.
Make sure to put it in a bag, get a receipt.
Oh, sir, I was here.
I'm shopping.
We just happened to go to Albertsons. Happened to be in a modded car.
But I did nothing wrong. I didn't come here for a car meet. I just somehow drive a nice car.
Yeah, what? I cannot take my car out?
It's the weekend and it's Wednesday, sir. So what?
So we got Kyle, found him in Albertsons. So what happened?
We went to get boba, I parked my car, and there was hella cops. And then we went inside, I was gonna order, and then you hear more cops come. And they were like, no hanging outside, you guys have to leave.
But we're customers.
Yeah, so I was like, I'm only here to get boba, and I was like, fuck, let me go to Albertsons, use the restroom, and I'm gonna go back. Cause there's hella people outside,
Still?
like, buy brew tea.
Oh, they're just
And they
chilling
they
there.
parked right in front of the store.
And they're just
With
chilling?
the sirens on and just talking on a microphone.
Yeah.
It's crazy, bro.
Which cop is on having a power trip right now?
There's like 2 of them outside having a power trip.
For real?
They like
Yeah.
follow somebody that was heading here or what?
Most likely,
know. You guys just
or
got
social
here?
media.
No, we've been here
Huh?
for a minute. We
Yeah.
got here and it was chill, and then there was a fucking chopper that spotlighted us, and then helicopters came.
I don't know what's going on. But alright, I got the leak, so I'll catch you
Thirsty.
guys. Maybe I'll see you guys outside.
12 seconds later.
You got people still here.
You guys can't see, but cop is just over there, lights off, just creeping.
Where'd he go? I think he's gone. Oh, no, he's right there. All right, well, see you, gang.
Time to go.
See you,
For real this
Killshot.
time.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Isaiah.
Cool little vlog.
Yeah.
Love y'all.
But alright then, Marty. Now it's goodbye with Isaiah.
Bye, Killshot.
Bye.
No more after meets.
Love y'all. Holy shit, man.
Now the official press conference is going to start now.
Let's do that again. Alright guys, act like you never heard any of those questions before. Okay, act like you never heard any of those questions.
I just want to, thank everybody for allowing me to live my dream, and I hope when the movie does come out, we don't disappoint you, because it is not my movie; it is our movie. So many people in the community came together and they gave me a piece of their heart, and you can't pay for that. And I feel like in such a divisive world today, like we can all gather at some place like SEMA and bond and be able to connect because we have a shared passion through cars.